what's up people, this side Karthik and she is Shagun.
So guys, we are going to make our first video on LGBT. In this video, we are going to know what Indian people think about it. So guys, let's go and watch the video.
Yes, because it's the buzzword today. Everyone is talking about the LGBT community all around the world. Heard about the community?
I'm hearing it for the first time, so sorry. Yeah, I have.
So I never heard about what it is. Just you said and like told me what the full form is. Now I know what it is all about.
Okay. First of all, in India, normal heterosexual relationships are also a taboo, right? So if it is something other than hatke from the normal, it is always a taboo in India. So,
my belief is if you go back to historical monuments, or I'm basically from South, so there are some monuments where you see the structures, you see sculptures where they've depicted the male or the homosexuality, shown it over there. So when they have shown it over there, that shows that this was there in our culture from thousands of years ago. Due to some courses in some places, people have, kind of somewhere they start discouraging it. But I sincerely believe that this has existed in our country from ages ago.
So coming to point, yeah, okay, I do have encounter with some of the people. They have attraction for the same sex. Okay. It was new to me when I heard about it, but now it's no more a taboo. I don't think young generation will be opposed to it and all him. I think everyone is free about it. Parents या older generation, the people who are above 30, उनके mind में रहेगा.
I think it's a good thing if it happens. Like it happened earlier, right? If I'm not wrong. But due to some reasons, they took back this law that they are not allowed in India. Yeah, because I have seen couples roaming in CP, Delhi. Yeah, so it's a good thing if it happens.
I don't think it's a taboo, but yeah, people generalize it like it's a taboo.
Because India doesn't follow a thing called your parents are your best friends. We are more into ठीक है अपना भाई अपनी बहन your friend circle and everything. Parents ही नहीं खुद open up होना चाहते बच्चों के साथ, तो ठीक है उनको भी एक नहीं मिलता यार चांस. अगर पेरेंट्स खुद ही इतने लिबरल हों कि बच्चों को बोलो प्लीज वट एवर यू हैव टॉक टू अस, या बच्चे खुद ही एक इनिशिएटिव ले, नो दे वोंट डू दैट. इंस्टेड दे विल डू ड्रग्स, दे विल स्पीक टू समबडी ऑफ देयर ओन एज.
It's probably because of lack of education and exposure. Parents, it's like कि घर में अगर बेटा है तो बेटा बनकर ही रहेगा, बाप से आगे कुछ बोल नहीं सकता. That is probably one of the reasons.
Because they start treating that boy or girl like she is abnormal. But they should understand this is perfectly normal. Like there's a male, there's a female, there's a third gender also, right?
So there are certain issues in our culture. You might have heard of people or young age kids, they say you're not supposed to eat garlic, you're not supposed to eat that. There are certain issues that have happened. So if you do the research on this, when I did so, I realized that this was basically there because garlic, somewhat inherits or starts the hormones of your sexuality, or that hormones from it. So our, ancestors have got such culture that even eating such substance is wrong.
क्योंकि ऐसा होता है फिर वो फैमिली जैसे कई सारी चीज़ें होती है, फैमिली खुद ही वो होती है हमारे रिलेटिव्स हैं क्या सोचेंगे क्या नहीं सोचेंगे.
Because they are shy and they are not agreed that their parents will accept them, and yeah, like they'll first face like lots of sarcasm, like discrimination, a lot of other stuff, like what people will think, what their society will think.
Nobody opens up to their parents about even a normal thing as their, a thing as simple as their crushes, even if it's heterosexual. So how can they even come out as LGBT?
Definitely, everybody has right how they want to live, so they should go ahead with whatever they like.
It definitely should be legal in India. I think every person in the youth will be thinking that this should be legal in India, because this is natural, right? This is natural, and natural things should be legal. Legal should be natural. It's a two-way street, right? So I think it should be legal in India.
Yeah, it should be. Why not?
Yeah, it should be legal because somewhere or the other it's happening, right? So why stop it? Because one side we are talking to develop our country, and other side we are having such taboos.
Well, if it comes to legalization, then maybe even a proper medical approval on this also should be there. Our technology should be up to that mark. So even when you talk to a medical person, they disagree to this. I've done that before.
I will say that if you feel like you have a connection to one person to other person, please go for it, and live up to the world.
Yeah, absolutely. The message would be please, please, please. This is no more a taboo in India. You need to यार अपनी perception बदलोगे तभी किसी और की perception बदल पाओगे. Think positive, be what you are. Do not pretend to be someone you are not. If it is something, go talk to people. If you won't talk to people, you cannot make perception कि what they will think. Depends what you are and what you want to be, what you want to show.
It's just that you are not doing anything wrong. We are doing something wrong that we are not afraid.
Live as you guys want to. We have no issues. I don't think anybody who's educated, who's also living in a good environment, who's working nicely, I don't think anybody would have any.
Message, okay. First of all, whatever you are, be proud of whatever you are, and just if you don't just be in the box, come out of the box, and we all are with you, and all the best for you.
I would date a girl.
Of course, I mean, I'm all in. Actually, what I believe is deep down inside every girl is a bi, so I would not mind dating a girl.
I would love to. I can admit on social media I have given a lip kiss to her. I have already did.
Yeah, probably if I like somebody, I'll date.
No, because by this time we have figured out that we are straight, right? So
It's something which nobody can answer at that
Yeah.
point of time. Yeah, it is.